Bossing! Boom, boom, boom! Oh, dalawa. Ay, sorry. Boom! Oh, grabe naman yan! Patay siya! So what's up guys, this is Mikey and Mark Stick Gamer Stick. Pero today magaling naglalaro ng mga horror game at kung ano mga laro. Kung bago pala mag-subscribe ka na para mag-upload sa mga bago natin i-upload mga videos. At kung gusto mo yung videos ito, please leave a like and subscribe and click the bell para sa mga bago natin i-upload mga videos. At ito na nga, lalaruin na natin yung request ng ating subscriber na maglaro na tayo ng GTA San Andreas. At dito na tayo, maglalaro na tayo dito, maging sa CG tayo, manega. Let's go, manega. Alright, so here we are, CJ, motherfucker. Okay, so the legendary intro, puto ko na. Panoodin natin. Yeah. Nahuli tayo dito kasi nagnakaw tayo ng balot kay Aling Bebang. Tapos tinapon tayo sa isang joke lang. It's mama. Ito talaga yung pinakang naging sikat na laro nun eh. Ito talagang laro to eh. Talagang, damn it. Ito yung pulis na kurakot. Yes.
Passenger, show us your hand.
Oh yeah, I'm here. Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Get out on your knees.
Get out on your knees.
Now down on your stomach.
Oh ba?
There you go.
Kasi itong dalawang panot na to, pulis na to, kalaban talaga natin to. Pero ayaw kong panoodin itong mission na to eh. Actually, nung 2015 nalaro ko to, and natapos ko yung mission niya.
This is
Yes.
drug money.
My money, man.
Hey,
Oh, money, man.
I'll fill it out later.
Welcome home, Carl. Glad to be back. You haven't forgotten about us, have you, boy?
Hell no, Officer Tenpenny. I was just wondering what took y'all so long.
Get in the car.
Ease up, man. Damn.
Get in the car. Easy, my boy. Inuntog pa.
Get out of here, you greaseball bastard! Stupid Mexican. Oh, hey, sorry.
My bag. Hey, man, my bag.
Yo.
How you been, Carl? How's your wonderful family?
Kasi nga nagnakaw tayo ng balot kay Aning Bibang. Kaya hinuli tayo ng pulis at mamaya tatapon tayo. Yan.
What else you got shaking, Carl?
Nothing. I'm living Liberty City now. I'm clean. Legit.
Nah, you ain't never been clean, Carl.
Well, what do we got here?
This is a weapon, Officer Pulaski, that was used to gun down a police officer not 10 minutes ago. Officer Pendlebury. A fine man, I might add. You work fast, nigga.
You know I just got off the plane.
Well, that's a good thing we found you. We retrieved the murder weapon.
That ain't my gun.
Don't bullshit me, Carl.
Yeah, don't bullshit him, Carl.
What the fuck you
Yeah,
asking me
ikaw
this
ang
time?
nagnakaw ng balot kanina, nahuli kita. Sabi ng pulis.
In the meantime, try not to gun down.
Nagnakaw ako ng balot, kinuha ko lang yung pula.
Y'all can't leave me here. This baller's country.
Tatapon na tayo dyan, tatapon na tayo yan.
You was innocent,
Tatapon na
Carl.
tayo dyan.
You don't bang.
This is car 58.
See you around.
Boom!
Carl.
Yeah, boy.
Down?
Yeah, boy.
Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah, boy. Ito yung pinaskat na laro talaga eh.
Rolling Heights baller country. Now, I ain't represented Grove Street in 5 years, but the ballers won't give a shit.
So, ayan na. Tayo na si Legendary. We are the car Jensen, motherfucker. Ganda ko. So, una pa lang. So, okay, sige, ito na lang gamitin natin. Buttons, motherfucker. Hey, bitch, hey. Ito yung gusto ko dito eh. Boss, pengen barya, boss. Boss, pengen barya. Oh, ayaw tayo bigyan ng barya, wala nga. Bossing! Oh, ay, grabe. Grabe, shit. Takbo ka na. Bossing. Boom. Pinagdalaman tayo. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Takbo, takbo. Bossing. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, dalawa. Bullshit. Boom, boom. Ala. Boom, boom. Ay, grabe, pinagdadalawahan tayo. Masyado na ba akong na-miss? Ha? Boom. You motherfucker. Yeah, let's go, motherfucker. I don't know you. Who are you? This is your motherfucker. Boom. Boom, motherfucker. Okay, may kaso na tayo dito. Ang gagawin natin dito para mawala yung kaso natin is kailangan natin pumunta ng garage. Saan nga ba yung garage na yung hanip na garage na yun? Where the freaking garage? So, kailangan yata tayo pumunta sa CJ House. CJ House. Pangit ng controller. Palitan ko lang yung controlling dito. Analog. That's getting flick. Analog. Okay. Bossing. Magdadrop pa tayo. Boom, ang ganda. Boom. Yeah, na-miss ko to, man. Yeah, I miss this. Oh, diba? Kuha mo yan. Galing na.
Grove Street. Home. At least it was before I
Crab Street Home. Boom. Boom. Bye-bye, motherfucker. Nagkakaso agad tayo, motherfucker. Patay ka sa akin. Boom! Pulis agad yung kalaban natin eh. Pulis agad eh. Labanan agad eh. Kaso agad eh, no? Kaso agad eh, no? Nasaan na yung pulse yun? Boom! Diba, sabi ko sa inyo eh. I'm a Carl Johnson, motherfucker. I'm a Jensen. Yung pulbo, Jensen. Joke lang. Saan na yung isang police? Where are the freaking police? Boom. Nasaan na isang police? Wala na isang police. Boom. 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 Ang korte to. Boom. Fuck you. Uy, sabog. Sabog ka. Ha. Sabog ka. Ay, grabe. Baba. Grabe, sabog na tayo. Bye. Bye-bye. Hindi naman ako nagdakaw nun eh. Ba't ganun kayo sa akin? Umuhay na po kayo. Saan ba part 2 yun? Dito ba yun? Kailangan ko magpawala ng kaso. Ay, sorry. Boom! Grabe naman yan. Patay siya eh. Ay, napatay siya. Okay. Excuse me po. Kailangan natin kumuha ng kotse. Uy, may motor. Yeah, boy, may motor. Come on. May motor. Ay, police din. Oh, I don't touch something. Sabi niya. Di pala pwede yun. Yes, ito na lang. Ay, galing oh. Kuha natin ito kotse para mawala ng kaso. Yeah, motherfucker. Motherfucker, my friend. Motherfucker. Yeah, motherfucker. Wala tayong pera. 350 pesos. Yeah. This nice girl. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Hey, come on, boy. Come on. You want this, boy? You want this? Give me your money, motherfucker. You bitch, huh? Yeah, you bitch. Oh, you homie? Huh? I said, give me my money, motherfucker. Boom. Magsisira tayo ng kotse. Labas ang matapang. I'm a busted boy. You want this, motherfucker? Boom. Ay, sorry. Boo. Boom. Bossing. Boss. Kamusta ang buhay, boss? Ano? Parang mawala yung kaso natin. Yeah. Pero wala tayong pera. This is my first car, you know? Hindi, pangit to. Maganda yung na-drip. Ito. Yeah. Ito.
You gonna have to walk now, sucker.
Get out, motherfucker. Yeah, get out, motherfucker. Boom. Pangit to. Ito lang yung kotse natin. Bye-bye, sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Beep. Oh, mag-drip tayo dito. Ay, pangit i-drip. Pangit. Yeah. Grove Street Home. Mag-drip tayo dito. Yeah, boy. May kotse na tayo. Boom! Panis, diba? Panis. Yeah. We are the Grove Street Home. And we are see you, motherfucker. So yun nga guys, dito na muna tapos ng videos natin. And kung nagustuhan yung videos natin, huwag mo kalimutan mag-subscribe dyan and click the bell para magpapagpakan ng upload ng videos. And kung nagustuhan mo ito ay kung gusto mo ng part 2, gagawa natin yan. And comment down below kung ano mga pwede natin gawin dito sa GTA San Andreas na to sa mga susunod nating episode. And yun lang, peace, Marcus Stick, stay cool, goodbye.